Is your vision perfect? Take this home eye test to find out. Do you experience blurry vision, eye strain, or headaches? These could be signs of vision problems. While a professional eye exam is crucial, you can perform a basic check at home. Let's dive into a simple eye test you can do right now. What you'll need: a Snellen eye chart, easily printable online, a ruler or measuring tape, a well-lit room with consistent lighting. How to perform the test: print the chart, ensure it's clear and legible. Set up: place the chart at a standard distance, usually 20 feet. Cover one eye, test each eye individually. Read aloud: start from the top, reading lines until you can no longer see clearly, interpreting your results. Compare your results to the standard vision chart. If you can't read lines you should be able to see, consider scheduling a professional eye exam. Additional tips: regular checkups. Even with good vision, visit an optometrist regularly. Protect your eyes, wear sunglasses, and limit screen time. Healthy lifestyle: balanced diet, sleep, and exercise contribute to eye health. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now to transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to main topic. Remember, this test is a basic screening tool. Always consult an eye care professional for a comprehensive evaluation of your vision health. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one.